Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's taking the world by storm: artificial intelligence. Whether you're completely new to AI or looking to brush up on the essentials, this session will cover critical takeaways from Google's AI Essentials course. Stick around as we unpack the key insights, pros and cons, and answer the burning question: can learning AI truly pay off in your career? My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Let's jump right in. AI tools fall into three main categories. Standalone tools: these are AI-powered applications designed to function independently with minimal setup. Examples include chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity, as well as specialized apps like Mid-Journey for art generation and Otter AI for transcription. Standalone tools are accessible directly via websites or apps. Integrated AI features: integrated tools incorporate AI into existing software. For instance, you can use Google Docs with built-in AI features to adjust your writing or Google Slides to create AI-generated images. These tools seamlessly enhance productivity within familiar platforms. Custom AI solutions: these are tailor-made applications designed for specific problems. For example, Johns Hopkins developed an AI system to detect sepsis, significantly improving diagnostic accuracy. Surprisingly, many custom AI solutions are user-friendly and require no technical expertise. Tools like these can save hours of manual work, such as ranking sales leads based on complex data analysis. Effective communication with AI requires surfacing implied context. Here's a simple analogy. If a vegetarian friend asks for restaurant recommendations, you instinctively suggest vegetarian-friendly places without explicit instructions. Similarly, when working with AI, explicitly stating the context results in more accurate outputs. For instance, if you're negotiating a raise, include details like last year's increase, your current performance, and industry standards. This structured input helps AI provide more relevant suggestions. Prompting refers to providing examples to an AI model. Zero-shot prompting: asking the AI to generate responses without examples. One-shot prompting: including one example for context. Few-shot prompting: providing two or more examples for nuanced outputs. The more relevant examples you provide, the better the AI's response quality. For instance, crafting personalized messages or designing creative content benefits greatly from this technique. For complex tasks, divide them into smaller steps to guide AI. This process ensures accuracy and consistency. Example: writing a cover letter. Start with an engaging hook. Refine the body paragraph with your resume and job description. End with a strong closing statement. Breaking tasks into manageable steps enhances the overall output and keeps you in control of the process. While AI is powerful, it has its limitations. Biased training data. Models trained on limited datasets may not perform well in unfamiliar scenarios. Knowledge cutoffs. AI may lack recent information if the training data is outdated. Hallucinations. AI sometimes generates incorrect or fabricated responses. For high-stakes tasks like health advice, always double-check results. Who is this course for? Google's AI Essentials course is ideal for beginners and visual learners. It's packed with clear explanations, interactive exercises, and a curated list of tools to explore. However, advanced users or those already incorporating AI into their workflows may find the examples too basic. Why enroll? Expert guidance. Learn directly from Google's AI experts. Engaging graphics. Complex concepts are explained visually for better understanding. Interactive assignments. The exercises are challenging yet rewarding, ensuring active learning.